Deep in the forest of Croatia, hidden among the trees, stands a monument unlike any other. This is the Petrova Gora Uprising Monument. Built in 1981 to honor the partisans who fought against the Nazis, it was meant to be a lasting symbol of resistance and unity. But today, it's a haunting relic of a lost era, abandoned, stripped and forgotten. Join me as we explore what remains of its former glory.
Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to be here. Like, the road was closed off, but there's a car right here. I don't know. The place that I'm trying to visit is right there. It's really cool with like this mist, but I just don't want to be caught right before I can take pictures of it. Damn, that's cool. I know there's people inside. I don't know if they've seen me or heard me already, but I don't hear them anymore. I hear people coming, so I'm gonna climb up here and see if I can spot them from up there. So I know it's two girls. I think it's just people. You never know. You never know. They still haven't seen me, so. Alright, just had a lovely talk with the four girls that were in here. They're right there. They didn't even know each other. It was two pairs of girls. They had seen me taking pictures, but then they saw me take pictures, so yeah, my ADHD mind was just overthinking everything, and they're not security. That being said, this place is really impressive. Alright. The girls said it's really easy to get in. They climbed up first. That's how easy it is. Hello. Whoa. Whoa. That is impressive. Alright, so the girls that just met told me something about a camera. I don't know if it's on the inside or on the outside, or I do not know. Alright, so I'm happy that these girls were here before. So I know the place is actually safe, because there's so much noise that it's easy to think there's someone in the house. But it doesn't appear to be so. That's some impressive architecture. So this is a monument, but it's unfinished, which is a little bit of a shame, because it looks really cool. So many abandoned locations are a shame that they're abandoned, because they look so cool. Yeah, that's a lift I'm not gonna trust. On a sunny day, the view must be nice and lovely and all that bollocks. But honestly, I wouldn't have wanted it any other way, because this just adds to the atmosphere. I guess these are workers' clothes, because I've got this, I don't know. But no stairs. No stairs. No stairs. I don't know if you can actually see it, but you can see the mist flowing in. Definitely some of the most impressive stairs that I've ever seen. And that's it. There we go. Close the door. And that's it. So it used to be in a lot better shape, but a lot of these stainless steel plates have been stolen, so it all used to be covered. That is one of the most useful doors in the history of doors. Oh, here's the camera. Here we go. Alright then. Don't think they care much. How did I miss that? Huh. There's a chair just chilling right there. So I've got the parking right there, and then this is where people could have lunch, dinner, have some snacks, have food. It honestly seems like a really cool place to hang out, so it's a little bit of a shame that it got abandoned. It's a bit of a shame, but without it I wouldn't have had like cool urbex. I'm gonna see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.